Ki khubor ka bate se TV. Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet neshai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Superintendent of Police ka East Hills District ba Bivex IPS. Uliathu sikilat pathai ko bor ba kanhun jaki polit na Meghalaya kidang bunkam bha mantah indoor but ompatla banong lanu kinwan pai. Ulong bigladep bentokit ya Govind Rakhuvanshi bad ya kmi Jong bad gilalapru ya driver bakit ya sonam na indoor sa Uttar Pradesh. Halor ka jingpau ka Kyrteng Sanjay Verma bau ya kran phone palat ars pasien ba sonam USP ulong bagade ka Kyrteng Kiba kila register hak true caller Hynrei number uday par number jong Raj Kushwaha usamla jong sonam.
I've just come to know that we've got 2 days of police custody. We asked 2 days police custody for Raj and Sonam, and we've got those 2 days police custody. We have sent the 3 other accused, Anand, Vicky and Akash, to judicial custody. And as and when our team arrives or we get more developments from there, we will be taking custody for them later. But as of now, we have taken 2 days police custody for Sonam and Raj, and we've got that. No, investigation is already in progress, and we've already taken 8 days of police custody. These 2 days we'll be taking because after the 2 days are over, then we'll do a lot of analysis also because, like I said, the team is out there in indoor, and we don't want to lose out because we will still have another 4 days with us after the 2 days of police custody. So we are taking piecemeal. Once we have done the 2 days, then we'll do analysis and investigation, and then again, if required, we will take police custody.
So when will be the next production, sir?
Next production will be on Saturday.
And when the team from Indore will come back, sir?
I can't say when they will come back, but they are doing a lot of work out there.
Are the police calling Govind Raghuvanshi and Vipin Raghuvanshi also to Shillong?
See, they already done the questioning of Govind Raghuvanshi out there, Govind's mother, and today they have ascertained who the driver was who took Sonam to UP.
And sir, like we have seen that Sanjay Verma, one fictitious name has come forward. Any other fictitious name as well, sir?
No, this name, I don't know how it emanated, but Sanjay Verma is just a fictitious name which is actually registered in Truecaller. The number pertains to Raj himself, Raj Kushwaha himself. So
Raj Kushwaha, total how many phone calls in 4 days, sir? 119 or 234?
See, regarding those statistics, I will not be able to tell you. I don't know where you got these statistics. Those are actually evidentiary. That's evidentiary material. But the tally of calls between Raj and Sonam is huge.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.